Hi, y'all, we're gonna do something a little different here. Steak, eggs, boudin, cheese, tater tots. Who says you can't put it all together? Y'all watch this, it's gonna be great. We're gonna start with this boudin. Right now we're gonna cut it out of here, let it free, let it be free. Boudin is something that the Cajuns used to make when we killed a hog or a pig. When you slaughtered a pig like that, you would take and make your boudin out of whatever the leftover parts was. Because we don't want to waste nothing in Louisiana. We don't like to waste nothing. We like to just cook stuff. Got to spray this down a little bit. We like to cook stuff and not waste nothing with our food. We're gonna put the boudin in here. But the boudin started out to be when you butchered a hog, you would take your boudin and make boudin out of the hog's liver. Okay, we're gonna stuck this in here. Probably put it on about medium heat for a little bit, and put it on medium heat. But the boudin, it was once you started butchering the hog, you'd start making your hams, rubbing them down and stuff, and whatever leftover parts, the liver and little chunks of meat, you'd trim it off of that and then make the boudin with it. Nowadays they use chicken liver instead of pig liver because pig liver is real strong. But that's how boudin started getting made, and you would make it, they would cook it, feed the people that was helping them butcher the hog. Don't overthink your tater tots. Just throw them on the griddle, put them all down, put the tater tots down, put them on about medium heat, let them rip. We're fixing to cut the vegetables up now. I like to do this. Hear crunch? That crunchiness means that it's fixing to break all the seeds loose in there. Watch this. See how it does it? And we're gonna cut this up a couple times. I like my stuff cut real thin. Red, green, bell pepper don't make no difference. I just like the color. I like to cut them up small, let them cook down better. And this way I always cooked it for my kids. And my mom always cooked it this way. Because if you cut them up small, they don't even realize they're eating your vegetables. Do the same thing with the onion. Y'all, we're gonna cut this up. Cut it a little bitty. I like to cut it real fine. I cooked everything when I was a kid, but breakfast was one of our main meals. When I was a kid, you get to hear what your daddy was gonna do, your grandpa was gonna do, and kind of let me know who I wanted to go hang out with that day, basically. All right, I think that's enough. You don't want to overpower your onions. Let me check these tater tots. Let me push these to the side. We'll squirt some more oil here. I want them fried crispy, y'all. All right, y'all, that's pretty good. Let's check on this boudin and see what's happening. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and flip these over. Probably don't need it, but, oh, no, they don't. This is good, y'all. All right, y'all, we got some of this leftover cheesesteak from the other day. We cooked some stuff. Fixing to hook it up, cook it up. This ribeye's got a lot of fat on it, so what we're gonna do, just throw it out here and let it cook. Because I want this real crispy. I don't want it just wimpy. I want it crispy. We're gonna throw it out right here right fast. I mean, this is a fun way to do steak and eggs. You don't have to do it all the way you used to do it. This is the new way. All right, let's add these onions and peppers right fast. Get these cooking down a little bit. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna add a little salt to this. While we're over here, we're gonna throw some on the steak. What the heck, salt without pepper? Season that up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and flip these. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, look at these. They get good. See, some people call that burnt. I don't. I call that well done. I like my stuff well done, and it is about there. Pretty, ain't it? Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of water and squirt on these vegetables. Steam them up a little bit. All right, y'all, I think we're gonna go ahead and pull these. Throw them on the plate. Look at there. Tater tots are not just for kids, you know. Us big kids like them too. Y'all, this is just something I like to do. Saves me on chew time. Now, if you're on a diet, you don't want to follow this recipe. But if you're not, watch what we're going to do. We need something to make that stick together a little bit. We're going to put all that cheese on here, y'all. The reason we're doing that, because cheese is so good. Now watch this. Once it starts melting down on the top, the first thing I want to do is cut all these burners off, okay? Because the heat's done. Okay? We're going to mix this all through here. Let it sit a second. Got some of them old chicken eggs. Watch this. Ooh-wee. Yes, indeed. Watch what we do with this. Breakfast nachos, y'all. And we're not even done yet, y'all. Watch this. Flip our eggs. Flip this egg to the other side. Look at there. Boudin. Ooh, see how crisp it is? That air fryer, it just does something to it. Look at the skin. Look. Look how easy it cuts. That's what you want. We're gonna cut this up. We're just gonna put it on here like that. If y'all can see the rice in here, all that, and it's all lots of seasoning. And you just stick it on here and it's good. Very good. Like I say, we call this Cajun candy bars. Y'all hear that? I hear that little chicken clucking. Let me get my eggs. Ooh-wee. Look at there. Look, sure as I tell you, breakfast should be fun. Play with your food a little bit. Don't listen to your mama. Play with your food. Look what I got here. Oh, look at that boudin, y'all. Mmm. Woo!
It's too hot. Burn yourself.
I just can't throw boudin away. It's illegal, I think. All right, y'all. You get your tater tots, get your boudin, get you some steak, and peppers, onions. You got it. Just check in your refrigerator to see what you got and make it. You got the boudin. You see the rice in there and stuff, meat. Oh my goodness. I mean, that was super quick, super easy. Just stuff we had in the refrigerator. Get you the boudin, some cut up steak, tater tots. Oh, they good. Play with your food a little bit.